Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to talk about how you can get started preparing for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification, that is for 2023. This is one of the most popular cloud certification and it's a great starting point for anyone who is looking to break into cloud computing industry. So in this video we'll go through step by step. So let's start with the first step. First, you need to understand the exam format. So the first step to prepare for AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification is to understand the exam format. So if we'll talk about the exam format, you need to understand what type of question you can expect. At the level of this certification is associate, that means you will not get any direct questions. That means you will not get any fundamental questions. You will get the question based on scenario, but you need to be sound with the fundamental of all the services or the concept related to the AWS services. Next thing, you will get 130 minutes to complete this exam, and the cost for this exam is 150 USD. You will get 65 questions. These questions will vary into two types. Like either you will get multi-choice question where you need to provide only one answer out of 4 or 5 options you will get, or next you will get multi-response question. That means you need to give 2 or 3 correct answers out of 4 or 5 options. It will be given to you, but how you can understand this thing, it will be clearly given in the instruction of the question. So always advisable to go through the instruction very properly. Next thing, you can take this exam either on the testing center or you can take it from the comfort of your home, and in both the cases your exam will be proctored. That means you need to turn on your webcam and the audio, so they will monitor you throughout your exam. Next thing, to prepare for this certification, you need to go through the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Guide. I'll share the link in the description box that you need to go through, where you will understand what are the domains are part of this certification and how much is the weightage. Just a quick go through. Domain 1 is related to design your secure architecture, that is having weightage of 30%. Second domain is design resilient architecture, which is having weightage of 26%. Next domain is design high performing architecture, which is having 24%, and the last domain is design cost optimized architecture, which is having 20%. These domains is like modules for this certification. Next thing, once you will go through the exam guide, you will understand each domain, what you need to have knowledge of, what are the skills you need to check. These are the things. And next thing, once you will go through all the domains content, then in the last you will see what are the key tools, technology and concept you need to cover for this certification, and also you will understand what are the AWS services and features you need to go through or prepare for this certification. This is how you need to prepare, or we can say you need to familiarize yourself with the AWS services, which is part of this certification. Next step is, after you know what you need to go through, it's always recommended to go through at least once with the AWS official training resources. That means AWS is providing free video training of around 12 to 13 hours. You just need to sign up for free and go through that training at least once, because whenever there is any changes, that will reflect immediately in the official training. You will not get updates in the other courses which is provided by the third parties. That is my suggestion. Fourth, you need to have the practical experience. As I mentioned, all the questions you will get in this exam is based on scenario based, so you should have the hands-on experience. That means you should have your hands dirty with the hands-on labs. So it's advisable just sign up for free for the AWS account and then try to get the lab exercises and go through the content and step by step and follow those labs. This way you will prepare very fast for your exam. And the last, before going through the exam, you should have the practice with the practice exam. That means there are many resources available online where you will get the practice questions. Exam topics is one of the site where you can get it, or you can also go through my video where I explained around 150 questions. Those are not similar to this exam. That means there might be possible you will get it in your exam or not. I can't guarantee with that one, but it will help you to understand what you need to go through and how you can get the right answer. I explained everything there, and it will help you to prepare well and also give you an idea that what type of questions you can expect in your exam. Next, that is the last step for this for your preparation. You need to read AWS official documentation. The reason for this one, after reading your AWS official documentation, you will have the detailed explanation of the different AWS services and how they work. So this is a great resource for understanding the concept and can help you to prepare for the exam. If you are serious, just follow these all steps. So that's how you can get started preparing for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Certification Exam by following these steps and using the recommended resources which I'll share in the description box, even on the comment section. You will be well on your way to pass this exam in the first attempt and advancing your career in the cloud computing. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to click on like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content in future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.